Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 9 minutes and 35 seconds, covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. How is my audio? I feel like my mic is too low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 1, 2. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's that? Is that better? 1, 2. That seems better to me. Is that way too loud? Is it way too loud right now? Okay. Ah! I screamed. Someone said scream. Let's go! A bit loud, someone say. 1 second here. Levels got messed up when I drove. How's that? 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, how is that? I can't wait to scream Li Shi Zhe Guardian, ladies and gentlemen. Better. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, there we go. I can hear it in my headphones now. Perfect. Yes. Yeah, all the knobs got twisted on my interface in the travel home. I looked at it. I was like, sweet, sweet mother of God. What has happened here? No more neighbors banging on walls. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 7 minutes and 55 seconds. I just breathed in something. Covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. It feels great to be back home in the crab nest where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 7 minutes and 15 seconds away from being live, covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch the Shanghai Futures Exchange open up. It's going to be wild. Thank you so much, Amina, for that gift. Wow, a plane with smoke. Thank you, Amina. That's mega. It's about to go down, ladies and gentlemen. Crab Dog says, when you find the perfect setting on each one, mark it out with whiteout or nail polish or something. Good idea, Crab Dog. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 6 minutes and 40 seconds. They told you were insane for stacking gold and silver. Don't listen to them. They told me I was insane back in, 2015? But I kept stacking. The fundamentals kept growing, ladies and gentlemen. And oh, guys, I got something crazy in the mail. I got something absolutely crazy in the mail. Something from the 69th Chaps Brigade, ladies and gentlemen. I'm shocked. I'm going to show it to you here shortly in just 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. Barbara says, got my Mrs. IS non-organic coffee and crab mug. Let's go. Yes. Yes, Barbara. Yes. Who's sipping Mrs. International Stacker coffee with me? Wow. It's 102 here in Idaho, but I'm loving the river on my boat and cold curls light and 550 ounces in the safe, says Kelly Gage. That's mega. Did Rat Stacker enjoy herself? Yeah, she had a ball. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 20 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch Shanghai pick up here. Yeah, there's no... Guys, we're back on the fiber. Absolutely no, what's it called? No, what's it called? What's the word for it? Hold on. Not routing. Oh, buffering. There we go. Absolutely no buffering. You don't know until, guys, my mic in front of me is amazing. No buffering. You don't know what you have it till it's gone. Yes. Thank you again, Amina, for that gift. That was mega. I've never seen the air travel before. Thank you. Is Don gonna get soup? That's the question. Thank you, Mike D for the jewels. Thank you, a slice of Zard for the jewels. Thank you, Chris, for the jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be live here in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds, covering the breaking gold and silver news. Hoping you read the tea leaves. Boy, do I have a ton of news this evening. What's going to happen when Shanghai opens up? It's been absolutely explosive today, ladies and gentlemen. Buckle up.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow.
Who's ready for the Mega Gaw? Oh, yeah.
Giveaways for all. Feel the thrill. International, stack 'em that mill. So hit that flow. Join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 3 minutes and 15 seconds, covering the breaking gold and silver news. Hoping you read the tea leaves. We're going to be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange market open up. We're going to be analyzing everything. Smash the like button if you're ready. We're only 29 away from 100. I know we can do that. If you're ready, put "I'm ready" in chat right now. We're about to be live. Wow, look at that. Kelly Gage acquired a 1775 Thaler, and it's in good shape. Found it in a yard sale. Wow, congratulations. I wonder if you mean Taller. Yeah, I may think you might mean Taller. Congratulations. Guys, if you like this music, you can listen to it anytime, day or night. Just search International Stackers, the artist, on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify. It's everywhere. Maybe we'll get a gold record. You never know.
Crabs are grooving.
Here we go.
Side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up. The beat we
Thank you, Slice of Zard, for the gift there, the drinking turtle. Thank you. Okay, I don't think we're ready enough. If you guys are ready, let's drop a crab in chat right now. Let's get a crab dance going. Not a crayon dance, a crab dance. There we go. No, a crab, C-R-A-B. No poop emojis. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 1 minute and 45 seconds from being live, covering the breaking gold and silver news. Smash that like button if you're ready. Only 23 away from 100. Who's ready for the Mega Guy? Golden poop. Not the golden poop. Not the golden poop. Thank you so much, Wyvern, for the membership. Congratulations, driver. Check out your new emojis.
Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
Look at that, Barbara, member for 6 months. Diamond Claw says, waiting for Mrs. IS Organic. I gotta call them. I've just had so much going on. I'm gonna call them, Barbara. I promise you. I promise you, Barbara. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, what do you guys want? The old school, the little kid intro? What do you want? I'm behind. Oh, I'm behind. I'm behind. Thank you, Future Moto, for gifting that membership. Thank you. That went to Jonathan Hughes. Another Soup John. All right, let's kick it old school. Let's kick it old school, ladies and gentlemen.
Dance with me.
One step Stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, and yes, I'm back, baby. We're back in Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart, and we got a bunch of breaking gold and silver news to break down for you tonight. But ladies and gentlemen, I've literally got 2,400 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. Check them out. Now let's have some fun, and thank you for gifting those memberships. Wow. Thank you, Eternal Revenue, for gifting those memberships. It went to Baby, it went to SAG, it went to HHC, it went to Sonoma, it went to Alphon. Thank you again to Future Motive, and thank you to everybody. And Kelly Gage with 10 memberships coming in. Get your balls up in the sky if you want a free membership, crustaceans. Did Donna get soup? Let's see. It's Donna now. Dom did get soup. Hoya Guru. Dom got soup. And I'm looking. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
Okay, now I'm about to cover the breaking gold and silver news. I'm about to go over the charts for you guys. Thank you, Oli Sacker, for that membership. But real quick, I want to show you guys a quick recap. Congratulations to Commander Craig. Commander Craig, by getting Dom soup, he won. He claimed this 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle. Commander Craig got that. He got this 5 ounces of copper. That's going in the mail to him. He got this Hungarian silver coin. That's going to him. He got this 999 fine maple leaf. He got this Ingle hard minted colonial silver bar. That's 999 1 ounce. He got that. He got various crab coins, not silver or gold, but they got crabs on them. He got this silver, I think it's a 1/10 ounce or a 1/4 ounce homage to an American silver eagle. He got that. I got this in Prague at a coin show. He got this, the Ferdinand II from 1624. Mean overbite on that gentleman. He got that. He got this casino chip, 999 silver on the inner. The outer does not, of course. He got, he got this 1/1000th of a troy ounce of platinum. Man, this is a huge bounty. He got this American copper bar. He got this Japanese silver bar. Some call it samurai money from the 1800s. He got this very rare limited cork top of this is an exact cast of the champagne cork I popped when we broke $100 an ounce. And he got this silver round. Pretty cool. Now, the bounty is back open. The new super on the soup pedestal is Donna Sim. So no soup for Don. Here's the soup so far. This is the BBB, the Big Beautiful Bounty, a 1/10 ounce gold coin here. I think it's a 2023 year of the rabbit. I think, don't quote me on the year. And I'm also throwing in another cork top here of when we broke $100 an ounce on January the 23rd, poured by SGT. This is number 27, 1.4 troy ounces. That bounty will keep getting bigger and more beautiful. Whoever gets soup for Donna. And thank you, Oli Sacker, again for gifting that membership. And thank you, Jeff Stout, for those 5 memberships. Let's make sure she didn't get... Okay, we're going to jump in the breaking gold and silver news here. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time. And let's do a quick recap of what happened today. Silver was up big time today. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It came from a low of 56.94 to a high of 59.31. Massive increase. Now, remember... Every weekday at 6 p.m. Eastern, the market resets. And when silver reset, it did gap up here, ladies and gentlemen, if you could see. We did gap up here, but I'm happy to announce that we just filled that gap.
We filled that gap, turn the candle green, close that gap, stack silver with me. We filled that gap, turn the candle green, close that gap, stack silver with me.
And I just noticed that Chris Shimmick is in chat. He's the one that donated this 1/10 ounce gold coin. So if you guys could chat Chris in chat, that is pretty omega. So yes, we did fill the gap on silver. So far, the trading session, which just started a couple hours ago at 6 p.m. Eastern, we've hit a high of 59.18. And let me drag the red. Where's the red? Okay, hold up. I gotta get this up here. Hold up. It's gonna take a minute. Okay. And we've hit a high of 59.19 on this trading session that started at 6 p.m. Eastern. 2 hours and 45 minutes ago, we hit a low of 58.84. So we're gonna keep watching this. In just 14 and a half minutes, ladies and gentlemen, the Shanghai Future Exchange is gonna open up. We're gonna watch it, try to read the tea leaves together and see what happens. Now, gold had a similar story today. After hitting a low around 4,028, it hit a high of 4,120.74. And it currently, during this trading session, hit a high of 4,112. And it hit a low of about 4,092.28. So that is gold. And thank you, Jolene. Thank you for being a member for 7 months of Crab Cadet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let's go here to the gold to silver ratio. And ladies and gentlemen, we're back under 70. Down to 69.45 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And we're going to be watching this all. We're going to come back here in a few minutes. And I'm going to ask you guys at that time if you're team green or if you're team red for the opening of the Shanghai Futures Exchange. Now, let me go to the breaking gold and silver news. Please follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, INTL Stacker. International would not fit, but it's verified. Guys, we're only 112 followers from 10,000, so sub it up there if you want the breaking gold and silver news any time of the day. And check out internationalstacker.com. Not only can you find live gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, gold and silver charts on Oneida anytime, any day, and you can manipulate the charts. You can see what markets are open around the world, but you can click here to news and blog and see a lot of the articles and stories that I report on. A lot of information for you here to get smart. To be a clairvoyant. Okay, let's get into the breaking gold and silver news. Thank you to everybody who's retweeted this. If you have an X account, please go retweet this so more crustaceans can find us. Are you still stacking raven roses? Excuse me. Check out the Crustacean Nation Champagne Cork top poured by SGT Stacking. Congratulations, Raven Rose. Look at that puppy there. And Raven Rose is a member of the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade. Ladies and gentlemen. Kelly Gage says, just to go over some news, Russia and China admitting they're helping Iran. Oh, yeah, we know they're helping Iran. They're helping with targeting and weapon. We know this. That's always happening in the background. That's a given. But now it's being known in mainstream. And, of course, people are denying it. Okay, here's the first piece of news. Saudi Arabia, ladies and gentlemen, just made its biggest move yet against the Houthis. Watch out, Iran. Saudi Arabia announced that 14 countries have backed multinational maritime defense coalition to protect shipping in the Red Sea and the Bab al-Mandab from Houthi attacks. Remember, Houthis are rebels in Yemen who are supported by Iran. This follows weeks of escalating attacks on commercial shipping and energy infrastructure by the Iranian-backed Houthis. Why this matters? Thank you, Barbara, for the super chat. Are we all inclusive, accepting of? Yes. Yes, Barbara. First, thank you for the super chat, but any crustacean is welcome here. Lobsters are certainly welcome. Thank you for that. So why it matters? If Saudi Arabia is preparing for a more coordinated international response, they're just not acting alone. It increases pressure on the Houthis and indirectly on Iran, which has long supported the group. It raises the risk that the Red Sea becomes an even more active front in the broader regional conflict. Oil prices could remain elevated if shipping disruptions worsen. The announcement doesn't guarantee a wider war, but it does suggest regional powers are preparing for a more organized response if Houthi attacks continue. Sorry, guys, I got a frog in my throat. Shout out to Shotgun Susie, guys. Look at this. Shotgun Susie. A whole bunch of dimes. Are you still stacking? Shotgun Susie is. Here's the next piece of news. This day in sound money history, July 30th. Let's take a trip on back to 1865. Gold goes down with the Brother Jonathan. The steamship Brother Jonathan struck a submerged rock off Crescent City, California, and sank while carrying passengers, U.S. gold coins, and bullion. More than 200 lives were lost, and much of the treasure remained hidden for over a century before historic Civil War-era gold coins were recovered from the wreck. Sorry, guys, my throat. Wow, what is I've got something on my vocal cords. More than 200 lives were lost, and much of the treasure remained hidden for over a century. Let's take a trip to 1956. In God We Trust becomes the U.S. official motto. President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed Public Law 84851, making In God We Trust the official national motto of the United States. The phrase had already been on U.S. coins for decades at that point, but this further cemented its place in American monetary history. This day in sound money history. Do you guys like this? Do you guys like this? Let me know if you like this series. Now, guys, the weekly watchouts, we just got through here Thursday, a big day. We saw Q2 GDP. We covered it live. We saw PCE inflation. So I'm going to break that down in a second. I've got an update on that. Yeah, I don't have my tea. That's what it is. I usually do a throat coat tea at night, but I'm so discombobulated from the trip. And, guys, we got 400 people watching, 129 likes. Please smash the like button. Only 69 more likes until we hit 200. And the next 69 people to smash like it. Good luck for 5 years.
It's science.
Okay. So we're going to be watching for Employment Cost Index tomorrow, August COMEX Gold First Notice Day, and CFTC positioning. What the heck does that mean? Go to internationalstacker.com, click news and blog, click my very last watch out situation. I literally break down every single day here. I go over each day, the watch outs, what it means to you. I explain everything. So please go check that out. I think you're going to find it quite useful. Okay. Next piece of breaking news here. Breaking, the Middle East just took another major turn. The biggest developments from the last 12 hours in the war with Iran. President Trump just not long ago announced what he called a historic agreement for the complete disarmament of Hamas and all other armed groups in Gaza. And thank you, Big Texas Gator, says that they love this day in sound money history. I thank you. I'm glad you like it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Hamas is another extension of Iran. So if this is true, this is a big deal. Saudi and the coalition are battling the Houthis. Israel and coalition are battling and making deals with Hamas. That is taking away the foot soldiers of Iran. Historically, they've had these different militias and terrorist organizations around the Middle East causing havoc to keep people occupied, and now all that's getting taken away, and it's going to be all the focus on them. The proposed deal includes phased disarmament of Hamas, new Palestinian government, an international stabilization force, a phased Israeli military withdrawal tied to disarmament. If implemented, it would mark one of the biggest political shifts in Gaza since the war began. Hamas has long received support from Iran, so if it holds, it could mark a meaningful reduction in one of Tehran's key regional proxies. At the same time, ladies and gentlemen, Sitcom has come out. They publicly rejected 3 major Iranian claims. First, Iran came out this morning, I reported on it, and claimed that they destroyed 3 U.S. F-35 fighter jets. Those are called 5th generation jets. That would have been a big deal if that happened. CENTCOM saying, nope. A commercial tanker broke through the U.S. naval blockade. CENTCOM saying, nope. Hormuz is no longer safe due to Iranian control. CENTCOM says no. No U.S. aircraft were destroyed or damaged. Iranian missiles and drones either failed to reach their targets or were intercepted. U.S. naval forces continue enforcing maritime security operations in the region. AKA, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Blockade. Why stackers should care, ladies and gentlemen, markets are now weighing 2 competing forces. Continued military tensions and an escalating information war, or in a potentially major diplomatic breakthrough in Gaza. How are the markets going to handle it? That combination could keep gold, silver, and oil highly volatile as investors react to each new headline. Okay, here's the big La Bamba. And guys, keep smashing that like button. We're only 44 likes away from 200. I know we can do it.
It's science.
Alert. Alert, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, wait, hold up. Big Texas is saying, I got my wife to sub to the channel. I think we have a new stacker in our midst. Whoa, congratulations. Big Texas Gator's wife, that's awesome. Say it with your chest, says Kalilo. Good to see you, Kalilo. Okay, here we go. Alert, the data is in. Is it bullish or bearish for silver and gold, ladies and gentlemen? Today's economic data was a mixed bag of cheddar cheese, but here's how the silver scored, ladies and gentlemen. Q2 GDP, that's gross domestic product, came in at 1.5%. Expected was 2.0. That is technically a miss for the economy, but it's bullish for silver. A weaker economy increases the odds of future Fed rate cuts, which tends to support precious metals. Okay, number 2. Headline, PCE inflation, 3.3% year over year, came in as expected. That is it's a neutral check mark for the economy. It's also neutral for silver. Inflation met expectations, so it wasn't enough to significantly change the Fed's outlook. Core PCE, the same exact thing. Personal income came in at 0.2% versus the expected 0.3%. So that was a miss for the economy, but slightly bullish for silver. Slower income growth points to a cooling economy, which could strengthen the case for lower interest rates over time. Consumer spending came in at 0.3. That was matched expectations, neutral for silver. Initial jobless claims came in 197,200K was the expectations. Slightly bearish for silver. Fewer than expected layoffs suggest the labor market remains strong, giving the Fed less urgency to cut rates. So GDP was bullish. PCE was neutral. Core PCE was neutral. Personal income was slightly bullish. Consumer spending was neutral, slightly bearish for jobless claims. Overall, slightly bullish for silver. The economy is slowing. It's showing the signs, but inflation and employment weren't weak enough to force immediate shift in Fed policy. That keeps the long-term bullish case for silver intact, but we might have some fun here short-term. We're going to keep watching it. Okay, I did that. Okay. Let's see what you guys are saying real quick, and then we're going to go to the charts, and we're going to watch Shanghai Open live. Thank you, Brian, for putting out the stream. Thank you, Law Doc. Thank you, Crab Dog Security. Variable says we're gapping up. If you agree with Variable that Shanghai's gapping, oof. If you agree with them, say I agree. I don't know, Variable. Thank you, making AG great again. Okay, we're caught up there. Oh, here we go. The Silver Quack. Sir Silver Quack. Okay, cool. Hey, Mike D, thank you. We got Mike D there. Sicilian Stacker, thank you. David, thank you. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Stacking. Okay, let's go to the charts. Let's read the tea leaves together here. Oh! Guys, I got something in the mail. If you want to see what it is, it's shocking. It's shocking. If you want to see it, show it in the chat right now. Hold up, I'm getting ready. Hold up. I've got to fold it up. It's too big. I've got to fold it up so I can show it on camera. Hold up. Okay, I'm going to show you. Who knows what this is? Oh my goodness. Who knows what this is? Who knows what this is? I got two things in the mail. I got these. And I got this. The patches are in. The 69th Chaps Brigade. Feel the breeze. Literally, the Chaps Brigade sent me actual chaps. What in the world, ladies and gentlemen? Oh my goodness. Somebody sent me chaps. Whew. Okay. If someone's just watching this channel for the first time, they're like, what in the world is going on? What in the world is going on? Wow. Wow. No, they're brand new. I cut the tag off of them. They're brand new. So I'm going to have to put them on for the next meet and greet, I guess. I don't know. Okay, guys, we're 30 seconds away. Danger zone alert. Danger zone. All right, we're 58. We're 58 to 59. Okay, 59. Are we going up or down? Tell me. 60. I don't know. I don't have time to compute. I don't have time to compute. It might be a baby gap. It may be a baby gap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay. It was a baby. It was a slight little baby gap up. If you could see here. Man, I was distracted with the chaps, guys. I was distracted. It was a slight baby gap up. So we're going higher right now in Shanghai Futures Exchange Silver. We're at 66.42. As we're opening up for a brand new trading session here with the Shanghai Futures Exchange out of China. Wow. Guys, should I put the chaps on right now? Let me know. We want a live video recording from Mrs. IS of you wearing the chaps. She did do a video of me inside level 99 doing like a ninja run. So I got to blur my face and Rat Stacker's face. I'm going to show that to you. Okay, hold up. Guys, I've got them partially on, and I've never felt so strong in my life. We got a BGC.
Okay, try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Some scientists say 90% of the time, every time we do a baby gator, it could turn a red candle to green or a green candle to a BGC. But ladies and gentlemen, as soon as I put the chaps on, we got a massive green candle here on silver. We just hit 59.04 on the COMEX. Shanghai just hit a trading session high of 66.54. Wow. Are chaps the new baby gator? That's funny. Yeah, maybe the chaps are like a totem for the baby gator. 30 minutes. Oh, Raven Rose, I just shouted you out, Raven Rose. Guys, there's Raven Rose. We just shouted him out. Hold up. Right here, Raven Rose. We shouted you out. Look at that. Woo! And Raven Rose is a member of the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're a member of the 42nd, put 42 in chat. If you're a member of the 160th, put 160 in chat. If you are trying to join the 69th Chaps Brigade, put 69 in chat. Or if you're waiting for the 101st Kilter Crustaceans, put 101 in chat. And guys, Variable Trumper was right. Variable Trumper was right. Now, for those who don't know or missed it earlier, Dom did get soup. But ladies and gentlemen, we have a new crustacean that we voted in. We had an emergency conclave of the High Soup Council. And Donna Sim is the new crab on the pedestal. So no soup for Don now with 2 ends. We got lots of hungry crustaceans. After that was going to be Silver Serpents, but Serp got soup last night. So the next in line is Yukon Cornelius. And thank you, Hoya Guru, for getting a membership. That went to Brandon Byers. As we shoot higher here on the COMEX, 59.11 silver. Wow, we got a big green candle forming here. 66.64, the mark of the base. Okay, we need that to go up a little bit. Becky, look at that bar. Thank you, Feature Motive, for getting 5 memberships. That went to Vibe. It went to Eric. It went to Silver Tsunami. It went to Yield Bill and Stacker Dave. Now, guys, remember, the Big Beautiful Bounty is back live. Commander Craig won the last massive one. And, guys, the longer it takes, the bigger it gets. But already in this Big Beautiful Bounty, that it's a side quest. Whoever gets Donna's soup gets it. A 1/10 ounce Year of the Rabbit gold coin. I think it's 2023. And a 1.4 ounce silver cork top made by SGT Stacking to commemorate $100 silver. Cast from the actual cork. There's only like 40 of those. And guys, a lot of the silver is selling for huge premiums. A lot of it's selling for huge premiums on eBay. So go check it out. Okay. We just took out our first target for silver on the COMEX for tonight. Our next target's 59.18. We're at 59.06 right now. Gold is starting to catch a bid here as well, but not as severe as silver, which is fine. We're cool with that. Okay, let's go here. Think you making AG great? Gosh. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ben Bateman, winner of the Hidden Hoard. The Hidden Hoard in Springfield, Illinois. Thanks to International Stacker and Hero Bullion, received my Hidden Hoard Task Force expert shirt in the mail today. You guys are mega. So guys, anybody who finds, so look, if you go to my website, internationalstacker.com, I sell the Hidden Hoard Recovery Task Force merch here. It's like $30 for a shirt, but if you find the Hidden Hoard wearing it, you get a special side quest. But see, this shirt right here is what it looks like. This is the one you could buy. Okay, like that. Only if you find it, you get it with the located and stamped expert on the bottom. He did get the Japanese silver multiplier here. He found the 5 ounce, so he got this 5 ounce silver bar for free. He got this Japanese silver bar technical coin for free. He got this Hidden Hoard Recovery Task Force expert shirt for free. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Hidden Hoard, Springfield, Illinois. Hold up, Ben Bateman. Oh, yeah. Guys, the next Hidden Hoard, I'm going to be adding more dates, so you got to be checking. Make sure I'm not going to be in your backyard. But the next Hoard, if you go to my website, click Hidden Hoard, is going to be August 27th at the American Numismatic Association Coin Show in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. If you want to go, fill out the form here, select Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I'll send you information on it. Second. Hold up, hold up, hold up. There we go. Bang. Guys, Hidden Hoard. Hero Bullion, thank you, Sicilian, for putting it out. Hero Bullion is a proud sponsor of the video, or of that series and the channel. Thank you so much, Hero Bullion. Check them out, guys. They got 5 ounces of silver at spot. $295.72. This might be your last chance to get it under 300. Ships for free to your doorstep. Might as well pick up some deals they going on right now. Silver at and below spot. Other deals going on. So check out HeroBullion.com. A big thank you to Hero for sponsoring the channel. I'm going to work on getting Jake back in here. Another behind the stack interview. If you guys would like Jake back on, put Jake in chat. Can you guys believe somebody sent me chaps? I can't believe it. Wow. I'm thinking, what do you guys think about this? Maybe on the chaps I should sew, well, not me. I should get sewn a patch for each of the units on there. What do you think? A patch of each of the units sewn onto the chaps. That could be pretty cool. Whoa, look at guys. Cadence X says, you mentioned chaps, the red candle. Guys, this was a giant red candle. I literally said the word chaps, and it turned green. Okay, now it's red. Okay, now it's green. No, now it's red. I'm going in!
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm on the top! Oh my God! Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
Wow. Let's go back to here. Okay. I'm looking for any quick breaking news. Guys, there's a big state of emergency in Spain right now. A bunch of refugees, economic migrants, I'm not sure what, are literally storming the beaches. It's a mess. Meanwhile, here in America, let's see what we're doing here in America. Here we go. Leroy Jenkins. buttons. Okay, let's go forward a little bit more. That's so funny. And look here what Smart Silver Stacker's saying. Silver is consolidating within a large falling wedge pattern. When does it break out to the upside and run for new highs? When the Fed is forced to print to bail out massive debt. That makes sense. Let's see what chart he's on here. Hold up. Let me look. All right, let's go take a gander ourselves. Oh, someone's asking how close we are to a big show. Let me see. Guys, if you're not subscribed, you need to be. I'm giving away a ton of silver, gold, and copper soon. If that's not a good enough reason for you to subscribe, do it for the big show. We're 30 subscribers away from the next big show. Guys, make sure you're subscribed. You might think you are, and you're really not. But this Saturday, I'm doing an impromptu. I'm doing a special stream. I'm going to be going through that whole chest that's filled with all kinds of silver, gold, and copper for you guys. I'll be going through it live and picking out all the items that I'm going to give away. I'm going to probably next week be releasing the video entry for you guys all to enter the next mega giveaway. If you're ready for that, put mega in chat. One second, stand by. Oh my goodness. You guys, do you think those chaps would impress Mrs. IS? Should I light some candles, make some dinner, and walk out in those chaps? What do you think? Will it result in a small crustacean being... Okay, let me go back here. Okay, sorry. All right, let's check out the weekly chart here. Yeah. I see it. Okay, guys, look here. Tell me if you see a descending triangle. Oh, come on. Do you see, guys? So look, when you see a descending triangle, just imagine those two are touching, okay? When you see a descending triangle and you see volume decreasing, that is generally considered bullish for whatever market you're in. So I do see it descending there on the weekly. Let's check out the monthly. It might be better. Yeah. Yeah. Descending triangle, volume decreasing. Let's check out the daily. Whoa. My daily chart is intense. It's because I got all these blue lines. But yeah, I see it. I see it even more so here. Let's go to the 5-minute. Okay. Sorry about that madness. Oh, did I miss some memberships? Hold up. I think I missed this. I think I missed some gifted memberships. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Taste the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
You guys, I'm absolutely exhausted. Today was such a crazy day. I said to Mrs. IS, I'm like, I am absolutely dead right now. Oh, we should crab raid Reckless Metals. Guys, last time we crab raided Reckless Metals, it resulted in these puppies. What do you guys think? You want to crab raid and maybe he'll give you away some silver? He does from time to time. Or maybe we'll get another release here. What do you guys think? And then while you guys are answering that question, who wants to join the 69th Chaps Brigade? Feel the breeze. Who wants to join it? Okay. Stand by. Okay, guys, I am absolutely exhausted. I think anyone else would have not gone live tonight, but I said I cannot leave the Crustacean Nation hanging. I cannot! So I'm here, and I'm going to be back at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning, so make sure you smash a like right now. Subscribe and turn on those notifications. I'll see you in the morning. I'll have all the breaking news. I wake up super early to cover it. So I'm going to crash right now. I'll see you guys in the morning. We're about to go crab raid Reckless Metals. When you get there, drop a bunch of crabs in the chat. A bunch of crabs in the chat. Smash the like button. Thank you, everybody, so much. We'll see what happens. Do you think we're going to be up or down in the morning? Let me know right now. I'll see you in the morning. CYO. TNO. I got it here. Hold up. Catch ya on the next one. Woo!
I am never going to financially recover from this.